So I recently returned from a 9-state, 30-day Western road trip across the USA, and many people have said to me, "Hey Jeff, how did you use Mylio Photos to back up your photos while you were on the road?" Because they know that Mylio Photos is the sponsor of this video. So obviously there's a lot of questions. I'd love to tell you all about it. First, understand what Mylio Photos software is. It is software that is built to encourage you to have local backups of all your photos. They don't want you just having everything in the cloud because something could happen. One of those sites could go in another direction and you might lose access to all your photos. It's good to have them locally here as well as in the cloud. So the process begins with what Mylio calls a vault. A vault is a hard drive, dedicated hard drive that will collect all the different photos you're taking on multiple devices into one place. I have 2 vaults, 2 drives. They're cheap enough, and I like to have multiple copies, basically 2 vaults identical on 2 drives because hard drives are going to fail, and if one goes, I've got the other one. With that done, every time I snap a photo on my phone, it's going to go to the vault. And it's also going to be accessible on my phone, on my computer, on tablets, whatever device I'm going to use, as long as you pay attention to this pro tip. When you're sitting in the hotel room and you're moving all your images from your phone back to the vault at home, you got to have the app open, and you've got to have it open during the night while you're sleeping to give it time to process all the images. If you don't open up the app, it's not going to the vault. So keep that in mind. The other big news with Mylio is that its app has been updated. It's also now totally free. It works with one device, and it's really geared towards organization, finding photos. The search has been greatly enhanced, and it rivals what you'll get from competitors. So you're going to want to check that out. Mylio Photos, it's free, available at the Apple and the Google App Stores or at mylio.com/photowalks. Mylio Photos Plus is all the backup stuff that I've been telling you about. Go check it out, and if you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. I'm Jefferson Graham.